Hello. One of the great things about being in Sparks is that we get to travel all around the world and see some amazing countries and great Sparks fans everywhere. However, while we're on this temporary lockdown period, one way I have of reminiscing about all those great travels of ours is via my refrigerator magnet collection that I'd like to share with you now. So here's just a small sampling of my collection. And if I'm missing any of your countries, I apologize. They're sitting in a drawer somewhere. So let's start with Lisbon, Australia, Tallinn, Estonia, good luck from Riga, Latvia, Portland, Oregon, Suomi, Finland, a nice moose, Switzerland, Copenhagen, Lake Como, Portugal, Lisbon, Moscow, a fine pretzel from Alsace, Barcelona, Gaudi buildings, and a nice breakfast tray from France, Croissant and Francois, miniature pasta from Italy, paella from Spain and some olives, fine rice balls from Sicily, Moscow, Edinburgh, aye, and a nice William Shakespeare from Stratford-on-Avon, and his cousin up here from Cambridge, Malmö, Sweden, New York, Texas, Madrid, Brighton Pavilion, Berlin, Great Britain, Scotland, Hola Mexico, from Korea, Reunification Tower, and also the DMZ, Mount Etna, Lisbon, Vienna, Stockholm, Sweden, Ghent, Cannes, La Croisette, Bordeaux, Cannes, yeah. Checkpoint Charlie, Dublin's fair city, bagpipes from Scotland, Brussels, Paris, Japan, Paris again, by night, Las Vegas, by any hour, Loch Ness Monster, 100% real, Utrecht, Toulouse, Arène de Nîmes, Norway, Bergen, beautiful country, beautiful city, but the most expensive refrigerator magnets in the world. Sumo wrestlers from Japan, Cannes, La Croisette, Space Needle, Prague, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Ghent, Brussels and the Mannequin Peace, Madrid, Sicily, Venice, Lausanne, Lyon, Latvia, Bratislava, Slovakia, Genoa, played there with FFS, Prague, Michelle Obama, hello Michelle, Catania in Sicily, Porvo, Finland, and a beautiful one from Hakone, Japan. In case I didn't mention your country specifically, it's probably that you're in one of my drawers right now. But in any case, until we get to come and see you again in your country, I'll just sit here and stare at my magnets. Thank you for listening.